number 6, prove that. Example number 6, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now, first of all, we will take this LHS. LHS, we take this and we will prove this RHS. Now, I will write here 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta Now we take conjugate pair of this denominator. And we multiply and divide to this 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Therefore, see here, LHS is equal to, we write this as it is, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, and we take conjugate pair of this denominator, means here we take plus. Now we are multiply to numerator by this conjugate pair sec theta plus tan theta upon same way to denominator also, sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. This is conjugate pair of this denominator. Okay, therefore we write here LHS is equal to, see this, 1 into this bracket sec theta plus tan theta, means same as it is, sec theta plus tan theta. Did you understand? Now here, see this denominators, sec theta minus tan theta, and second bracket sec theta plus tan theta, means a plus b. This a suppose and this is b, a plus b, then this is a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square, means here a square. Suppose this is a square, then what is a square? Sec square theta minus b square, means tan square theta. Did you understand? Now we know, I have given formula for sec square theta. See this, LHS is equal to, see this, sec theta plus tan theta upon, I have given formula for this sec square theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta. This is formula for sec square theta. Did you understand? I have given this identity. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or tan square theta plus 1. And this original minus tan square theta. Therefore, this tan square theta plus this plus tan square theta minus tan square theta cancel. Therefore, our LHS, see here, LHS is equal to, what is, sec theta plus tan theta upon 1 is equal to, don't write here upon 1, is equal to RHS. We want this sec theta plus tan theta to RHS. This is our answer.